look at the clouds already, man.
Can't take a debris that was already there before.
I know, but I'm still gonna get it. I know that was there already. That tree that's laying down, it wasn't. They had to push it out of the road last night. That tree wasn't down yesterday either.
Yeah, it was.
No, that wasn't. That tree.
Right there? I'm pretty sure that was.
No, that tree was hanging down last night, and they cut it down this morning. It was just hanging last night. That tree was in the process of falling down before this hit.
Trees up there.
I don't think anybody's going to see that, but...
And all that. There's where it went through.
Yeah. Try not to get in the way. Here, you hold it there. Nobody thought we'd have one in Mountain City. There you go, I'm getting it now, I can see. That's where we're getting ready to come up on that trailer rolled down the mountain. That's fucking crazy. Yeah.
That's very starting to get it.
That trailer rolled down the mountain. You can see because it's got some of the siding down.
What?
I know, it's wrapped around the tree. I feel bad for that little girl that used to get off the bus here.
Yeah.
She was like, what, 6?
Look at the trees ripped out of the fucking roots. Over here.
And look at the house. It barely got messed up. I know, but we don't have no way to get a hold of him. Chris ain't here, honey.
Ripped their shingles off. Well, knocked the wall down.
That's bad. It came through here too, I guess.
And look at this fucking trampoline.
I know, it balled that trampoline up in a ball.
In a ball.
And that's hard to bend.
Yeah.
And their house ain't even touched. It just got their trampoline. That is crazy as shit. I'm going to send this to Billy so he can actually see how close it was to your dad. It didn't do no damage past this point, did it?